Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to do a little bit of a different video. So I'm just going to show you guys the box I've showed you before on the channel. So I have signed up to a monthly detailing subscription box. As you can guess from the name, sends a box every single month, and I think it costs around $16.99. But I don't think I've actually done an in-depth video to show you guys exactly what's included. I've been purchasing it around 6 months, and I always enjoy getting the products sent to the door. There's some stuff that comes and I use, and there's some stuff that comes and I don't use. As you guys know, I do get sent some PR packages from other companies, and I tend to stick with that. I do use some of this stuff on different projects and different little things I'm doing. As you guys all know, I love my wheels. I have my Ferraris and I have my wheels on the S2000, and then Ryan has got his Smith Modern lines on the Jordan, and then he's got his DC5 wheels. I love keeping my wheels in really good condition. Products that I've got, I'm not actually going to use on the Ferraris. I am a little bit scared to use stuff on my polished lips unless I know that I can use it, because I've used stuff before in the past and it's left them marked. The lips are quite expensive and I don't really want to buy another set just before the upcoming shows that we're going to. So I'm not going to touch the Ferraris. So I'm just going to show you guys the monthly subscription box. Okay, so this month's subscription box is mainly to do with keeping your wheels and how to keep your car in the winter. It's really more or less to do with wheels. So you get this little leaflet which tells you all the products you've got and how to use them. I'm not going to go through them all. So pretty much you get your black gloves, which are probably too big for me. The first thing they have sent is a pre-icer, which pretty much you spray on your car the night before when you know there is going to be some ice or snow or whatever, and it's supposed to stop that, which I will try tonight on the Audi because it's supposed to freeze tonight. But obviously I don't need to use it on the S2000 because it's in the garage. So we've got the Auto Glance wheel shampoo. I actually use the Auto Glance pre-foam wash and I do like it. So I have high hopes for that. So then we move on to this tire care, which is pretty much just a tire gel. They did send 2 air fresheners and I did steal one already for my Audi because I was going to work yesterday and I cleaned it all up. Got this one and we got another little one. So then we move on to the which is a wheel sealant. And then we move on to, I actually think one of the guys used this yesterday. So this is the Detail Kitchen and it is in the scent Gingerbread, and it is a paintwork sealant. Again, we will go through them all when I'm using them. Get some of these little triggers, which I do sometimes use. So I'm going to be using the products on my S2000 today. Like I said, I'm not going to be using them on my Ferraris. They are actually going to get painted for shows for the Audi. So we're not going to be doing anything on those. We're just going to use my wed racing wheels, which are on the S2000 today. And I'm actually going to give the S2000 a coat of the Detailer's Kitchen. Yeah, just get into it and we'll see how we get on. So I'm just going to start by lightly misting the wheels with the Cosmic Details wheel sealant. So now I'm just going to work it all in with a clean microfiber cloth, and then I'm going to buff off any excess. And now I'm going to move on to the fun part, which is spraying the tyres with the tyre care. Now this stuff is quite easy to use, but just be careful not to go over the alloy with the spray. If, like me, you don't plan on driving your car, you can let it sit to soak in. So once you have done that, make sure to lift a microfiber cloth and just check there is no overspray on the alloy. So now moving on to the Gingerbread paintwork sealant, and again lightly mist the surface. So then go ahead and work the paint sealant into your bodywork. Remember to take a clean microfiber to buff off the excess, or else flip the microfiber over to the clean side. It really does smell like gingerbread. And of course, add that air freshener. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. So as you guys can see, the tire care is really good. You can see the shine off it, and usually I'm quite picky when it comes to tire shines and tire care, but it looks really nice and it's really shiny. The wheel sealant was easy to use and I really did like it. The paint sealant was really nice. I really like the smell of it. We'll see how it lasts over the next couple of weeks. And obviously the car will be getting washed probably at the weekend as always, so we'll see how well it lasts then. I think the box is really good value for money. It's nice to get that little surprise coming through the door every month, and I do really like that they use smaller brands to help them get onto the marketplace for selling their products. I would definitely recommend buying the box. I've bought it quite a few times, like I said. I'll show you some of the other things that I've got in the past. Every month is different. So like in the past, I have got this G-Technique citrus foam, which if you were buying was quite expensive. And I know it's only a little tester size, but it's still quite good. I've also got this quick detailer before, which again, I do like, and it's really nice to see smaller brands being showcased. And everyone has probably used the Poor Boys Black Hole. I haven't actually used this one yet, but I have used it before. And I've also had this glass cleaner as well from them. This is just a few things that I have here. I have more stuff at home, but in the garage, that's all I really have, I think. But yeah, we do get sent quite a few wee things from them, and they do come in handy. I don't think I've had any products which I necessarily wouldn't buy. I really am impressed with the tire shine. So like I was saying, you literally just spray it on and you leave it. The guys were saying that yesterday when they were using the tire shine, they sprayed it on and they buffed it off, which I haven't done because my car won't be moving and the Audi's outside. So you guys didn't see me using this wheel cleaner. I don't know if I actually got a footage of it when I was washing the car, but I did use it. I didn't need a whole lot of it because my car was clean already, but I just wanted to use it just while it was there. I do like the Autoglans brand. I really do like, I must show you, if you look back at some of my videos, you'll see that I've used them in a few of them. Yeah, I do quite like this. It's the Foamy Citrus pre-wash, and it is really foamy. I didn't think it would have been as foamy. I do like that a lot, but I did obviously buy that full size. The pre-icer, I'm going to take it home with me. The Audi's outside, but there's no lights outside. So when I get home, I'm going to spray it on, and then hopefully in the morning it should work. And it'll save me a lot of time at 6:30 in the morning trying to get my car de-iced for work. I really am happy with how the products worked. Like I say, I'm really fussy with wheel sealant, but we'll see how those wheels go on. Those wheels are going to be painted at some stage anyway, but I thought I'd just try it for the purpose of the video. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. I will be uploading a video I think at the end of the week as well, because like you guys can see, we are making progress with the Jordan. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.